I had $92 on my MuleBuy account, so I decided to buy these 4 items. Let me explain why. Balenciaga slides, Comme Garçons Air Force 1s, black Air Forces, and a New York polo. But instead of reviewing them right away, I actually wore everything for a week first. So today I'm going to show you what I bought, how much I paid, how long shipping took, and whether any of these things were actually worth buying. Yeah, so I wanted to see how much value I could get from MuleBuy on a really tight budget, so I picked up 4 items. First was this New York 5 polo. It's simple, easy to wear, and honestly one of the items I was most excited for. Then I grabbed these leopard print Balenciaga slides, definitely the statement piece of the haul. Next were the Comme Garçons Air Force 1s, which I really like the pattern on the side. And finally, a pair of black Air Forces just for everyday use and for the gym. One thing I really want to focus on with this haul was keeping the total cost really as low as possible. The items themselves were already pretty cheap, but I also used MuleBuy's coupon code RAIN, which gave me 50% off shipping, which that alone saved me a decent amount. Another thing that I did was remove the shoebox for the Balenciaga slides, because shoeboxes add extra weight and volume, which means a lot higher for shipping costs. So by shipping the slides without the box, I was able to save even more money. The items arrived at the warehouse pretty quickly, and there weren't really any issues during the process. From ordering to warehouse arrival, everything went smoothly. Now let me give a deeper review. Instead of giving a first impression review, I actually wore these items for a full week to give my honest opinion. The New York polo held up really well, no loose stitching, no major issues. After a couple wears and it stayed comfortable throughout the week. The Balenciaga slides were really comfortable because of the fur. The print looks really good and I didn't notice any durability problems. The CDG Air Forces were probably my favorite item from the haul. They were comfortable, easy to style, and after a week they still look basically new. The black Air Forces were basically what you would expect. They work nice at the gym, they were comfortable. I mean, just for whatever I was using. So finally, was this $92 MuleBuy haul worth it? For the price, honestly, yes, because I got 4 wearable items, shipping was smooth. The coupon code helped cut down the shipping costs, and removing the slide shoebox saved even more money. But most importantly, after wearing everything for a week, nothing fell apart and everything held up pretty well. And there's no flaws at all. If you're trying to get the most out of a small budget, this haul definitely delivered. Let me know which item was your favorite, and if this gets enough likes, I'll do an even bigger MuleBuy haul next.